Good day everyone, I am Chris Lawrence Piapas, 20 years old, from Barangay Marco Palumpon, Leyte, BS Mari, 3rd year, Delta. So I have two questions here. So the first question is, who created God? So to answer that question, so if someone asks, who created God? They might think a God just like a house, a car, or even a person. Something that is built or born. But God is not like those things. For example, um, a house, a car, or this ref, or the universe, it needs a cause. Because it had a beginning. But God has no beginning. So, He is eternal. He was never created. So if someone asks, who create God? It's just like asking, when did time begin before time existed? So that is my answer for the first question. So the second question is, how will you demonstrated and explain the existence of an infinite intelligent mind using modern science discovery on DNA? So modern science shows that DNA contains complex codes that gives instructions for life. So these codes is extremely detailed and organized, just like this polo shirt. This is our Type D uniform. So this Type D uniform contains designs, words, it has a color, and also it has a shape that will fit in our body. So I cannot say that this Type D uniform is created by accident. So it means there is someone or there is an intelligent behind this polo shirt. So that is my answer for the second question.